Asking for help need not be complicated. The Pure Force Emergency and Rescue mobile application is now not only free, but also improved to be more user-friendly.
It's already available for download and it's for free. Kasi before, naisip namin na i-charge a certain fee for the app. But later on, as we went along, we decided na the app would be free for everybody. So anyone can just download it and then magagamit na nila kaagad yun. That's why we decided to remove the payment for the app para at least lahat ng tao makagamit, makatawag, and then maka-ask ng help.
The Pure Force and the responders can now track locations even though the user is on the move. The user just have to press the police button for 3 seconds until the button blinks with red and blue colors. This is helpful more especially during kidnapping situations. Giving in to users' demands, Pure Force has labeled the application's SOS button, which links the user to Pure Force emergency number 86505 to emergency call. An MMDA button was also added, allowing the Metro Manila Development Authority to immediately respond to emergencies involving flood, road, and fire, or that may need the services of enforcers.
Magkakaroon po tayo ng ganitong klaseng alert. See? Shooting, I don't know if I have told you this one, it's a shooting alert on that area. Tapos lahat na nakasubscribe sa atin, matatanggap po nila yan. Let's say may flood alert, pwede rin, pakikita mo sa kanya, this area has flood alert, kindly avoid the area. So malalaman ng subscribers mo. So basically ito, like typhoon warnings and everything, dengue warnings, 30 cases reported, gano'n. So, sa amin, this app is basically for emergency, panghingi ng tulong, especially on kidnappings, parang yung mga police, na kailangan mo ng police, kailangan mo ng ambulance, or may sunog, or you need an emergency call, so you can make a call also for those who doesn't have smartphones. But we encourage everyone nga to download the app kasi nga libre na siya and then mas madaling humingi ng tulong. So basically yan yung magiging bagong itsura ng app natin pag na-upload na siya sa Apple Store and Android Store.
According to Jojo Soliman, the upgraded application will be available in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store approximately early September.
Itong bagong app, it took us around 6 months to just upgrade. Pero for the app itself, matagal siya gawin. Yung una, it took us over a year to do it. Yes. And then until now, we're still testing it kasi pag nagawa mo na siya, pag ginagamit mo na, doon mo makikita how efficient siya.
To download the application, you only need to register the Pure Force website. Once the registration is accomplished, a link to either the App Store or Play Store will be accessed. Pure Force makes safety available in the palm of every Filipino's hands, free and convenient.